Hi everyone, I am Jia Dugar and welcome back to my channel. And I usually make educational, study and career related videos. So basically I scored 99.8% as a best of 5 in my class 10 CBSE board exams. And ये वीडियो में मैं आपको बोलने वाली हूँ कि the complete strategy you need to score 95 plus from now onwards and your date sheet analysis as well. So I'll be talking in both Hindi and English so that everyone can understand. And without further ado, let's get started. तो आपको पता है कि योर फर्स्ट एग्जाम इज ऑन 15 February and that is English literature. So I will say complete your entire portions at least by 5th February and use the rest of time just for revision to go through your portions again. Now आपको ये चीज है, you don't have any exam before English, right? So it'll be a little bit hard for you to balance all 5 or 6 subjects before English. So ensure you give proper amount of time to English, and now you have to start focusing on English as well. Please do not neglect English as a language. उसके बाद you have 4 days of gap and your science exam on 20th. I say 4 days is a good gap because आपको social में काफी कम gap है. So on these 4 days you have to do your revision, go through diagrams, go through your notes that you have made. After which you have social exam, which okay, but few of you before social exam 22nd का आपका French exam है and Sanskrit exam. So you have only 1 day to study these second languages. So you have to be thorough with your concept because you can't do everything before the exam, right? You literally have only 1.5 days. So keep that in mind. Uske baad, if you have Sanskrit and French, you only have around 2 days because your social exam is on 25th. So again, social में there are like 20 chapters. इसका मतलब है कि you won't have much time for revision. You might not even be able to do all chapters properly. So study your chapters in advance. Read your NCERT 2 to 3 times at least. Do questions much before your board exams even start, ठीक है? And अगर आपके पास Tamil, Urdu, Marathi है, then you have like very short 1.5 day gap. And if you have Hindi, again you have 2.5 days gap. So काफी कम गैप है ये फर्स्ट 4 एग्जाम्स के बीच. सो यू हैव टू बी थरो इन ऑल ऑफ दीज सब्जेक्ट्स. नाउ आपके पास एक लंबा गैप है. यू हैव मैथमेटिक्स विद on 10th of March, so that's a very long gap. So you can practice each and every chapter very well. Do lots of sums for practice, and trust me, just because you have a long gap doesn't mean the paper will be hard. There's nothing like that. It's just a myth. And if you're an IT and AI student, unfortunately आपको 8 दिन के लिए वेट करना पड़ेगा till your board exams get done. But 8 days is so much for AI and IT. You can literally just study your portions then and get done. Now let's start with the road map. So I'm going to tell you what guidebooks to use, which teachers to refer to, how to study now, how to start from now and get 95. तो पहले चीज है, I opted for Abhay batch during my 10th standard. Currently भी Abhay batch है for both 9th standard and 10th standard. And the best thing is they're covering science, social, maths, AI, Hindi and English also. तो I think आपके सारे subjects covered होंगे. And personally, because I had completed my portions, but I needed revision and I needed my concepts to be completely thorough. But even if you have not done your portions, I will recommend this batch because you can see Next Toppers YouTube also. I'm a big fan, and the same teachers are going to teach like India's best teachers से आप सीखने वाले हो, like the best, and it's also very reasonable. So I definitely suggest you opt for this batch. If not, you can refer to their videos on YouTube as well, Next Toppers, and if you like it, definitely go for batch because you'll get like personalized doubt solving and things like that. Now next, moving on to how to start now and score 95 plus. Very simple thing is be thorough in your NCERT because your concept at the end of the day has to be clear. Your NCERT is where all questions are going to come. Even higher order thinking skills competency, the base will be your NCERT. So know each and every line of NCERT, do it 2 to 3 times. For maths, solve every question in your NCERT book. Apart from that, you can do exemplar. Now if you ask me what is better for now, one shot or PYQs or sample papers, I will say sample papers. But even if you want one shot books, I highly recommend EduCard books because सारे questions, सारे PYQs, competencies सब included है वो book में, and I've been referring that through my entire journey. And even sample papers, I personally use this sample paper booklet from EduCard for all subjects because the best thing about the sample paper is आपको board exam का proper feel आएगा. You have the papers and you have the proper style question papers, answer sheets. So boards are coming very soon and you have short day gap ना, तो आप practice करो. आपको समझ आएगा कि कैसे लिखना है बोर्ड एग्जाम में. आंसर की भी गिवन है इस बुक में. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ आंसर्स आर एक्सपेक्टेड. नाउ आई से कि आइडियली आपके पोर्शन शुड बी डन बाय दिसंबर एंड और जनवरी बिगनिंग. मेरे पोर्शंस गॉट डन बाय दिसंबर एंड, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई वाज डूइंग ऑल माय प्री बोर्ड्स रिविजन टेस्ट. एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज है कि ऑलवेज गिव योर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स हायर प्रायोरिटी, higher importance than your प्री बोर्ड्स, दिस इज बिकॉज आपका प्री बोर्ड्स का अल्टीमेट चीज है कि यू शुड स्कोर गुड इन योर बोर्ड एग्जाम, सो डोंट रश टू योर पोर्शन जस्ट टू स्कोर गुड इन प्री बोर्ड्स, गो स्लोली, अंडरस्टैंड इट, सो दैट आपके बोर्ड्स में अच्छे स्कोर आएंगे. बोर्ड्स इज मच मोर इंपॉर्टेंट योर प्री बोर्ड्स. ऑफकोर्स स्ट्रीम में प्री बोर्ड्स आती है तो वो भी हो जाएगा साथ साथ में. सो डोंट वरी मच अबाउट इट, डोंट रश टू योर पोर्शन, यू आर गोइंग टू स्ट्रगल लेटर ऑन, एंड बी थरो. सोशल स्टडीज में स्पेशली keep going back to the chapters before and before, and keep checking if you still remember what you learned, check if you still understand everything you studied before. So these are few important things, and don't stress guys, board exams are very easy. आपको लग रहा होगा कि boards are coming, but थोड़ा टाइम है, आप कंप्लीट कर सकते हो पोर्शंस. 95 प्लस इजिली हो सकता है. इट्स वेरी इजी टू स्कोर 95 प्लस in boards. That is you don't have to worry about it at all. So I will be posting lots of more strategies, notes and videos like that on my channel. So do like, share, comment and subscribe. And abhi aapko career stream bhi choose karna hai, so I'll also post a few career guidance videos from my point of view, from students point of view. So yeah, keep smiling, study hard, work hard, and you'll definitely see the result. And all the best. Bye. Thank you for watching.